Hello and welcome to our today's lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to work on exercise 4.1 of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 5, and this exercise is about mode and median. And the questions covered in this exercise are all about mode and median of a data set. So before starting to work on the questions, let's see the words given here. We have average, median, and mode. Average is the central or the typical value in a data set. Average can be median, can be mode, which I will explain out here. For example, if you have a data set such as 2, 4, 3, 5, 8, 7, and 9, if we have such a data set and we order it from smallest to biggest, so we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 9. Now the number that lies in the center in this data set, which in this case is 5, can be called a median. 5 is in the center. If we see from both sides, from left and right, 5 is in the center. So 5 is called the median of this data set. If we have another data set such as 1, 3, 4, 3, 6, 7, 3. So here we see that 3 is repeated 3 times over here. So when in a data set, the number that occurs most often is called the mode of that data. The number that occurs most often is called the mode, and the number that lies in the center of a data set is called the median. So we will have a lot of questions related to median and mode that we will work on one by one. Let's start with question 1. In question 1, it says, this box contains some numbers. We have 3 parts, part A, part B, and part C. Part A says how many 3's are there in the box. So we have to count the number of 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we see that there are 8 3's in the box. And it says in part B, it says how many 4's are in the box. Again, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And there are 7 4's in this box. And in part C, it says, what is the mode of the number in the box? As I explained here, the number that occurs most often is the mode of that set of data. So we see that 3 is occurring more than 4. So the mode of this data set is 3, because 3 occurs 8 times and 4 occurs 7 times. So the mode in this case is 3. Let's scroll down to move to question 2. In question 2, we have 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A says, write these numbers in order from smallest to greatest. From smallest to greatest. So the smallest number here is 109. Then we have 117. Then we have 118. We have 120 and 121. The numbers are ordered from smallest to greatest. So 109 is the first one, then we have 117, then we have 118, 120, and 121. All of them are ordered from smallest to biggest. Part B says, draw a ring around the middle number. Draw a ring around the middle number. To easily find the middle number, we can cross numbers from both sides. One from the left, one from the right, again from the left, from the right, and the number that is left in the center is the middle number. So we drew a ring around 118, which is the middle number. Again, it says, what is the median of the numbers? The median of these numbers is 118. Why? Because 118 is in the center when we have ordered it from smallest to biggest. Question 2 is solved. In question 3, it says, complete the sentences about this set of numbers. So in this set of numbers, we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, and 25. Part A says, the mode or most frequent is which number? Which number occurs more than others? It is 24. 24 occurs 2 times. So the mode here is 24. Part B says, the median or the middle is, we have to find out by crossing from both sides, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. The middle number or the median here is 23. Well, question 3 is also solved. Let me scroll down to move to question 4. In question 4, it says, this is how many sweets Tom found in each packet. How many sweets Tom found in each packet? So in the first one, we have 11, 11, 11. We have 12, 13, 14, and 14. Here it says, complete the sentences about the average numbers of sweets in a packet. In part A, it says, the mode is, you know that the mode is the number that occurs most often. So here the number that occurs most often is 11. 11 has occurred 3 times. So the mode is 11. The median, to find the median, we have to cross again. One here, because it's already ordered. If it's not ordered, we have to first order the numbers from smallest to biggest. Then we can cross from both sides to find the middle number. So one here, one here, one here, and one here. The number that lies in the center or in the middle is the median here. So the median for this data set is 12. Well, we are done with question 4 as well. Let me scroll to move to question 5. In question 5, it says, explain in words how to find the median of a set of data. So it says first and then. First of all, or we can say first, we have to order the data. We have to order the data from smallest to biggest. From smallest to biggest, and then find the middle number. Find the middle number. Find the middle number. Let me give a small set of data over here. If we have 12, 8, 7, 4, 9, 6, and 13. So we have this set of data. To find the median for this data set, we have to first order it from smallest to biggest. The smallest starts with 4. So we have 4, then we have 6, then we have 7, and then we have 8. We have 9, 12, and 13. Once we are done ordering, we can find the middle number. How can we find? We cross from both sides until we have a number lying in the middle. The median here is 8. This is how we can find the median of a set of data. So question 5 is solved. In question 6, it says, tick the sets of numbers that have a mode of 8 and a median of 9. So we have A, B, C, and D over here. You know that the number that occurs most often is the mode, and the number that lies in the center or in the middle of a dataset is the median. To find out the mode, we can see which number occurs most often. So in A, we have 10, 7, 9, 8, 11, 8, 12. We see that 8 is repeated 2 times. So here the mode is 8. The mode is 8. But to find the median, we have to first order the set of data. We have 7, so the smallest number is 7. We have 8, and we have again 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We should see if 9 is the median here or not. We cross one from here, again from the left, from the right, from the left, from the right. You can see that 9 is in the middle. For this data set, the mode is 8 and the median is 9, so we could tick the box because it fulfills the requirement which is given in the question. In part B, we have 8, 9, 8, 10, 8, 12, 8. 8, 9, 8, 10, 8, 12, again 8. Although the mode here is 8, the median cannot be 9. Why? Because we have so many 8s over here and we have only 9 and 10. So in this case, 9 cannot be in the middle when we order it from smallest to biggest. So this one cannot give us the mode of 8 and the median of 9. Although it gives us the mode of 8, but it cannot give us the median of 9. Why? Because if we order it, let's order, we have 8, again 8, 8, 8. We have 4 8s, then we have 9, then we have 10, and then we have 12. Now we see that 9 cannot be in the middle. So here the median can be 8, not 9. So this one cannot be accepted because it does not fulfill the requirement of the question. In the dataset in part C, we have 10, 8, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10. Here, maybe 9 is the median, but 8 is not the mode. Why? Because we have 2 8s, 3 10s, and 2 9s. So in this case, the mode is 10, not 8. So if it does not fulfill one of the requirements, it cannot be accepted. So I will cross this one also. In part D, the data set is having 11, 8, 8, 7, 9, 10, 7, 10, 10, 8, 8, 11, 11. So to find out the mode and the median, let me first order them. So the smallest number here is 7. We have 2 7s, one here and one here. We have 2 7s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 8s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 8s. Let me cross them. So 8s are crossed. We have 1 9, 1 9. So 9 is also crossed. How many 10s do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 10s. 10, 10, 10. And we have 3 11s. 11, 11, and 11. So we have 2 7s, 4 8s, 1 9, 3 10, and 3 11s. So the mode here is 8 because 8 is occurring more than any other number. Let's see if 9 is the median or not. So we start crossing from both sides, one from the left, from the right. We continue until we reach to the center. So 9 is left in the middle. So this one can also be accepted. the two sets of numbers that give us the mode of 8 and the median of 9 is part A and part D of this question. Part B and C couldn't give or couldn't fulfill the requirement of the question. Well, we are done with question 6. In question 7, it says, write your own set of numbers that has a mode of 8 and a median of 9. Mode of 8 and a median of 9. So when it says a median of 9, 9 should be in the middle. Because it says a mode of 8, there should at least be 2 8s. So we can write 8 here and 8 here, and maybe we can write 5 here. It can be any number, and then we can write 10, 11, maybe 13. Now we have the mode of 8, the median of 9. Because 8 occurs 2 times and 9 is in the middle, we have ordered it from smallest to biggest. So question 7 is also solved. Let me scroll down to move to question 8. In question 8, it says, 7 children reviewed a book about dinosaurs. They gave the book a score out of 5. They gave the book the score out of 5. These are the scores. So we have 4, 1, 3, 5, 5, 1, 1. Here it says, what is the mode of the scores? Mode, you know, is the one that occurs most often. So 3 times we have 1. In this case, we can say that 1 is the mode of the scores. B says, what is the median of the scores? So now to find the median, we have to first order the numbers. So we have 1, 1, 1. I will cross them. Then we have 3 crossed. Then we have 4 crossed. Then we have 5 and 5. Now to find the median, we have to see which number is in the middle. So 1 from here. We continue crossing from both sides. 3 is the median here because 3 is in the middle of this data set. So the median for this scores is 3. Part C says, would you use the mode or the median to describe the scores and why? I think to describe the scores, let me scroll a bit up. Okay. So now let me read the question again. It says, would you use the mode or the median to describe the score and why? I can say I will use the median. I will use the median. It is because median is the central number. Maybe some of the students or maybe some of the people have used 1 3 times, but the most common or the number that is in the center is the median. That's why it is best to use the median to describe a score or to describe the set of data. Well, we are done with question 8. Let me scroll down to go to question 9. In question 9, it says, write one more number in each set to make the statement true. Statement A says the mode is 10. Right now we have 2 10s and 2 11s. By putting one more 10, the mode becomes 10. Why? Because 10 is now more than 11. Part B says the mode is 4. The mode is 4. So we have 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3. If we put 4 here, we will have the mode of 4. Why? because we have 2 4s and 2 2s. If we put one more 4 here, we will have 3 4s, which makes the 4 the median of this dataset. In part C, it says, the mode is not 31. The mode is not 31. So we cannot put 31 over here. If we put 31, it will become the mode. We have 131 here, we have 30, 33, and 29. We can put any of these 3 numbers, but not 31. So I will put 30 here. Now the mode is 30, not 31. In part D, it says, the mode is not 108. Let's see how many 108s we have here. 1, 2. So we have 106, 109. We have actually 2 106, 109, 107, and 110. So if we give 108 here, it becomes the mode. To make 106 the mode over here, we can put 106. Now 106 is the mode, not 108. That's great. In part E, it says, write 3 different numbers that could be added to this set of numbers to make the mode 8. To make the mode 8. So here we have 4, 3, 8, 8, 2, 4, 8, and 9. If we write 2 over here, the mode is still 8. Why? Because we have 3 8s here. So we used 2 here, and the next one we have to use a different number. Let me scroll down. In the second one, we have 4, 3, 8, 8, 2, 4, 8, 9. We have 4, 3, 8, 8, 2, 4, 8, 9. Here we cannot use 4. If we use 4, the mode will be 8 and 4. But we can use any other number. If I write 5 here, then mode is 8 because we have 3 8s out here. Well, this one is also done. In the last one, we have 4, 3, 8, 8, 2, 4, 8, and 9. Again, we cannot use 4 over here. Why? If we use 4, it becomes the mode together with 8. But if we put any other number, let me put 6 here. So now the mode is still 8. So we put 3 different numbers, and the mode of each set of data is still 8. Well, we are done with question 9. Let me scroll down to move to the next question. In question 10, part A says, write 5 numbers that have a mode of 3 and a median of 4. A mode of 3 and a median of 4. Because it says a median of 4, 4 has to be in the middle here. 4 should be here. So 3 is the mode. We should at least have 2 3s over here. 3, 3. And on the right, we can write any number. We can give 5, we can give 6. Now we have 3, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 is the mode. Why? Because we have 2 3s, and 4 is the median because it's in the middle. So this one is done. Part B says, write 2 more sets of numbers that have a mode of 3 and a median of 4. Because it says a median of 4 in both sets, we should have 4 in the middle. In mode of 3 means we should have at least 2 3s here. 2 3s. But on the right of 4, we can write any number. It can be 6 and 7. And here we can have 8 and 9. Because 8 is ordered from smallest to biggest. And this one is also ordered from smallest to biggest. We have 2 3s in each set. And we have 4 in the middle. Part C says, what is the same about each of your set of numbers? What is the same? What do you think is the same here? We can see that in each set, in each set we have, in each set we have 2 3s. Let me write in words. We have 2 3s, and we have 2 3s and 1 4, 2 3s and 1 4, which is in the middle, which is in the middle. In each set we have 2 3s, and the 2 3s are to the left of 4. Means the first two numbers are 3s, but 4 is in the middle between, for example, in the first one between 5 and 6, and 3 and 3, 4 is in the middle, but the 2 3s are to the left of 4. This is how we could do question 10. In question 11, it says, try to write 3 numbers where the mode is 3 and the median is 4. Again, it says, explain why it is not possible to write 3 numbers where the mode is 3 and the median is 4. So for a set of data to have the mode of 3, we should at least have 2 3s. If we have 2 3s here, 4 will be on the right. So 4 cannot be in the middle. So we can say it is impossible. It is impossible. It is impossible because to have a mode of 3, we should at least have 2 3s. We should at least have 2 3s. If we have 2 3s, let me scroll a bit down. If we have 2 3s, 4 cannot be the median. 4 cannot be the median. So it's obvious, to have the mode of 3 in these 3 numbers, we should at least have 2 3s. If we have 2 3s, 4 cannot be in the middle. That's why it's impossible to have a data set which is having 3 numbers where we have the mode of 3 and the median of 4. With question 11, we are done with exercise 4.1 of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 5. I hope it helps you learn how to work with the set of numbers to find the mode and the median of that data set. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends, your classmates, and with your students if you are a teacher. And please don't forget to leave some comments in the comment section under this video. Have a nice time, and thank you so much.